Hi buddies, welcome back to iPhoneTopics.com. Recently, I have faced an issue with my AirPods. That is, they keep connecting automatically while in the AirPods case. So every time it's connect, I need to take it in and out simultaneously to stop the connection. But
A few moments later.
the problem is still persistent. After a few searches, I found some solution to fix this issue. So let's watch this video till the end. Solution number 1. Turn on the automatic ear detection. Many of them say this method works for them. So here we go. Launch settings on your iPhone, then tap on the Bluetooth and select the info icon that next to your AirPods. Here you can see the automatic ear detection. If it is turned off, then turn it on. That's it. Now check if the problem is still gone or not. Solution number 2. Clean the dirt inside the AirPods. Because this dirt may trigger the AirPods sensor to connect your iPhone. So just take a look. First, you have to use dry or lint-free cloth to clean your AirPods. And then dab with any of the Cordox disinfectant wipes. Most importantly, don't wipe the speaker surface on your AirPods. Also, don't use the product that contain bleach or hydrogen peroxide. And don't drown your AirPods in any of the cleaning agent. Then let them dry for a few minutes. Once it was completely dry, put the earpiece back on the AirPods case. Solution number 3. Disable Bluetooth. Turning off the Bluetooth may help to fix this issue temporarily. So to do that, launch settings on your iPhone, then tap on the Bluetooth. If it is turned on, then turn it off. That's it guys, these are the solution to fix this issue. If you still face this issue, we have to wait until Apple will fix this problem. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and keep in touch with us until the next video comes out. Bye bye.